Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 8.6 question number 4. Rani had rupees 18.50. She bought an ice cream for rupees 11.75. How much money does she have now? That means you have to subtract rupees 11.75 from rupees 18.50. Let us solve the problem. That is, here you see, that means you have to subtract rupees 18.50, subtract rupees 11.75 from rupees 18.50, right? And we are subtracting here, you see, rupees 18.50, 18, 18.50, this is 18.50, 50, this is 18.50, and we will subtract 11.75 minus rupees 11.75, 11.75. You have to subtract this one. After subtracting, we are getting, that is 5, carry 1, 7 plus 8, 8, 7, 15, carry 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 8 minus 2 is 6, 6.75, rupees 6.75, right? How much money does she have now? Now she has now she has rupees 6.75, right? Now she has rupees 6.75 with her, right? Now she has rupees 6.75 with her, right? 5 with her, with her. This is the solution of question number 4.